I'm Davies. I'm a model, presenter and someone who lives on social media. I'm originally from Aberystwyth, and even though I live in Cardiff now, I try and get back to Aber as much as possible. I've been in the public eye since I was quite young, and I've come across every possible mean comment and judgment on social media. Sometimes it's funny, sometimes I can laugh it off, sometimes it's scary, and sometimes it really makes me upset. But most of the time, the online community can be a beautiful, beautiful space to be in, to have the chance to speak to people across the world and share your stories with them, your ideas with them, your experiences with them, your kindness with them. That can really have a huge impact on someone's life. Which is why I love social media, and it's also why I'm supporting the efforts to make social media the kindest place as possible. And I think that's something we can all get behind. But of course, it's also really, really good to be nice and kind to people in person too. If you'd like to know more about how you can help spread the word of kindness online, head to the website connecttokindness.wales.